Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you tons of iPhone cases that I got. These are all the cases that I got. I've been having this cases like for like a month already because I've been dying to do this video. So let me just stop talking and show you guys. But this is the one I'm using right now. I got this from Shein. It's beautiful. It has like, you know, stars and it matches perfectly with the color of the phone. And this is just a regular case. It's just like pink with a heart. I like simplicity sometimes just because I'm weird like that. But this is how it looks when you put it on the phone. Most of the cases that I got are like maybe $2-3, not more than $5, and that's really inexpensive compared to the other cases that I've been seeing on YouTube. And this is not like my favorite of them all, but I just got it because I've been so obsessed with aesthetic, everything pastel, like fruits. And so this is the color. It has just like oranges and hearts and flowers, and it looks so beautiful. The material is a little hard. It's plastic, but it's a little hard, different than the other ones that I was showing you, because the other ones are more like soft. So this is really cool. I really like the color. This is one of my favorites. It's green. Let me see. Yeah, it's a green. It has an avocado over here. Yeah, it doesn't really match like with the color of my phone, but I really don't care because I like it. You can even grab like the avocado because it's like a 3D avocado. A 3D avocado here, and I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. Hello, how you doing? Yes, I'm just here with my case. Yeah, it looks like avocado. Yeah. I also got another one, the same thing, but it's a different fruit. Let me show you. And this is the honey peach. This is more like purple and pink at the same time. Oh yeah. Oh my god, you see that? It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my god. And like I said, it has like a 3D peach in the back. It looks more pink than purple. Because if you look, this one, the phone looks like blue beside the case, but I don't know, I just thought it was gonna look cute when I'm like walking over there, walking somewhere with my phone and having a peach on my phone. I'm just looking a little weird today because I did my makeup. I'm sorry. But yeah, this one it was like maybe $3, $4. I don't, like I said, it's gonna be over here, but because I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't that expensive. And this one, I got it because it's clear, but it has black stuff on it. There, you can see it, but when you put it on the phone, it will look more cute, I guess. So yeah, so when you put it on the phone, this is how it looks. Yeah, there. You see, I have a clear image there. Also, this is one of my favorites. It's so like basic, but it's beautiful at the same time. So this is like basically the same as the other one, the one that has like the heart. But so this one is brown, and I love it because it says you, and it has a heart. It's just a regular brown phone case. I just got this phone case because I wanted to like have different phone cases because I am phone cases lover. I'm just kidding. I just bought these phone cases just to show you guys a video showing you 11 iPhone cases. Yeah. But this is how it looks, and it's beautiful. It's just a regular brown phone case, but it's just perfect. I'm in love with Stranger Things. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm obsessed with Stranger Things. I watched season 1, 2, and 3. I'm waiting for season 4, and I don't know when they're gonna air this season 4 because I'm like dying for it. So when you put it on your phone, this is how it looks, and it's amazing. This is for my Stranger Things fan. Girl, if you don't have these cases, you should get it. If someone says, oh my god, you love Stranger Things, and I'm like, yes, I love Stranger Things, and then you become friends because you have an iPhone case with Stranger Things on your iPhone case. I'm a sloth. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's clear and it has like different, let me see, it has different slots. I don't know if that's how you say it because I don't want to say slot. Slot. But this is really cute. It has different doing different things, and it says thank you. I'm just gonna show you with the phone so you can clearly see what are they doing. I don't know why I got this. Oh yeah, there. I just love like the different things on the phone case. Like I said before, I love the clear phone cases because you can easily see the color of the phone in the back, and then you see like image. It's like they're basically stickers on your phone. This is like a regular flower thingy cases. It's like encrusted inside. It doesn't fit. You see, it doesn't fit. Oh my god, and this one looks so beautiful. Look. I got like a lot of cases with flower because I've been just obsessed with flowers and aesthetic things, and I have tried this on my phone before, so I know it fits. And this is how it looks when you put it on your phone. It's amazing. It just like matches with the phone and the flowers in the back because it's not clear, but it's like beige and you can still see like the color through it. And I'm just in love. And I got this one. I bought a couple of clear cases. You see, so it's clear and it just has like stickers on your phone. It looks really cool. This is another clear cases with stickers, but this one has like faces and little cute things. Like this is how it looks when you put it on the phone, and the price is right there. Is basically the same as the other ones that I got. It's just that I'm into weird things right now. I don't know, I'm weird like that. So this is basically the cases that I got. I have some more over there, and but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.